Hey guys, this is Eddie, and I just wanted to kind of show you what breaks when they're metal to metal and there's no more brake pad material left. This is what it sounds like. So I'm going to shut up for a minute and you can listen to this. That would be the brake pad with no brake material and rotor rubbing together. And this one's really bad. So, and this is without the brakes applied, and this is with the brakes applied. So as you can see, you get two different noises, but on this one it makes noise whether they're applied or not. It's a lot worse when they are applied. Any questions or comments, leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer for you.